It's security at its brightest. This is the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. It's serious outdoor security made simple. Pro means you can see more in HD. Oh, that's a problem. Hear more with noise-canceling crystal clear audio.
Where do I go?
Hey, the side gate's open. Thanks.
And know more with bird's eye view that lets you know whether it's friend or foe.
Foe? Do people still say that?
Did we mention the siren? Yeah, there's a siren. And because it's from Ring, it works seamlessly with Alexa, Ring Alarm, and all your other Ring devices, so you can control your whole home right from the Ring app. Get serious about your home security with the all-day...
Did I shut the garage?
And all-night.
Did I shut the garage?
Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. Ring. Smart security made simple.
Welcome, friends. Let's meet the all-new Wyze Cam Floodlight, an ultra-bright floodlight motion detector with the eyes, ears, and brain of its built-in Wyze Cam V3. We like to think of Wyze Cam Floodlight as a therapist, a good therapist who knows that what everyone, including trespassers, maybe especially trespassers, really needs is to be seen. That's what Wyze Cam Floodlight does. It sees you. If you're a trespasser, it says, "Hello, friend. You are seen. I see you, and I hear you. And I'm recording your face right now for the police because I think other people should see you too." Then again, you could just use the two-way audio to put that message in your own words.
Get the out of my yard, you little...
Or let the 105 decibel siren do the talking. Wyze Cam Floodlight has 3 separate motion sensors that can be turned on and off individually or adjusted for up to 30 feet and 270 degrees of customizable detection. It doesn't matter if you're tippy-toeing, doing the worm, army crawling, or dancing the Macarena. Wyze Cam Floodlight doesn't miss anything. We even made it possible to add an extra Wyze Cam V3. Boom, double the coverage. Oh, you want more customization? Adjustable and dimmable lights, baby. Wall mounting, ceiling mounting. This thing's got more positions than a Cosmopolitan magazine. Wyze Cam Floodlight has 2,600 lumens of ultra-bright light, which is bright enough to incinerate vampires. Is that bright enough for you? Don't worry, they signed a waiver. For comparison's sake, most floodlights are 2,400 lumens or less. Daylight produces 127,000 lumens. And when I go to the beach and take off my shirt, I produce 63 million. Plus, the brains of the Wyze Cam V3 gives Wyze Cam Floodlight smart features like dusk to dawn automation. You'll never have to worry about turning it on or off. And like any proud parent, we bundled all this home protecting goodness in an IP65 weatherproof jacket. Wyze Cam Floodlight. Brighter, smarter, motion-activated security.
Introducing Swann's 1080p Wi-Fi floodlight security camera with two-way talk. It's everything a burglar doesn't want. Evidence from recorded video. Visibility from the floodlights. Warning from the siren. Interaction with the two-way talk. It's a bright 2,400 lumen weatherproof outdoor floodlight and camera combo designed to be hardwired to your structure's electrical wiring. The easy Wi-Fi connection allows you to get notifications on your phone so you can see and prevent crime. Once triggered, the floodlights turn on and a loud siren sounds. Then from your mobile device, you can talk back to scare off intruders and capture audio.
Who's out there? I'm calling the police. Leave right now.
Audio capture adds another layer of evidence, letting you hear off-screen noises and identify voices by age, gender, accent, and language. Use voice commands via Alexa and the Google Assistant to see what's happening at home.
Alexa, show me the front door.
You can also speak to see what's happening via the Google Assistant.
Hey Google, show me the front door.
A wide 125-degree viewing angle allows you to see faces, license plates, and more. The super bright floodlights enable you to see color up to 100 feet, 30 meters. When it's completely dark, infrared night vision lets you see in black and white up to 32 feet or 10 meters when you look at live view through your smartphone. Swann's True Detect heat sensing technology detects events that are more relevant to security. The camera is like another set of eyes, using True Detect to sense heat from people and cars, triggering push notifications and recordings. You'll experience more reliable detection and reduce false triggers from moving trees and bugs. Store videos up to 7 rolling days of footage in the cloud for free, plus local memory offline backup with no hidden fees. You can also add additional security services, such as longer cloud recording, smart alerts, extended warranty, and more by subscription. A sturdy weatherproof design ensures protection rain or shine. Combine the Floodlight security camera with other Swann products for a complete security system, such as Wi-Fi cameras, video doorbells, and fully wired DVR and NVR security systems, and conveniently monitor them all via the Swann security app. Swann's cutting-edge heat and motion sensing Spotlight outdoor security camera.